In this video, I will show you how to connect your phone to your Android TV via Bluetooth. Hi! Welcome to Online Whatever Guide. Thank you for watching Online Whatever Guide. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.